This brand is made in China by TCL Delonghi and is available online, but their guarantee is minimal when compared to other brands. The PACMW8KCA units are available as cool-only or heat/cool models and are Wi-Fi enabled, where they can be controlled by voice commands from Alexa or Google Assistant. They have a temperature sensing remote control with sleep timer and a smart mode where the unit will automatically switch between heat and cool to maximize your comfort. They only have a 2-speed fan, but they have swing louvers for better air circulation throughout the room. The units use R32 refrigerant, which is environmentally friendly, but they only use a single hose, which means that conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. With a noise rating of 51 decibels, they are pretty quiet in operation on low speed, and they use self-evaporating technology, which minimizes the need to dump a condensate bucket. They only have a basic washable filter, which does not do much to improve the air quality in the room. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.